Good morning class 8th chapter number 11 pressure. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture the pressure due to solid and pressure due to liquid or gases. In this lecture we will discuss about the barometer. You can see there is a diagram barometer. You can see there is a barometer, there is a test tube. You can see here the. So what do you mean by the barometer? A barometer, it is a device. It is help us to measure the atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure can be measured using a device called barometer. So in this student you can see it is a simple mercury barometer. You can see there is a made up of the long glass tube, long glass test tube filled with mercury. There is a test tube, and it is filled with the mercury. Okay, and you can see there is a diagram barometer and is inverted on a thorough of the mercury. You can see there is another container. You can see, and it is inverted. It is inverted on a container of a mercury. You can see this is the figure, and you can see there is a space above the mercury test tube. This space you can see. What is the use of this? So student, the space above the mercury column, it is a vacuum. It is a vacuum, and the length of the column of the mercury turns out to be 76 centimeter. The space above the mercury column, it is a vacuum. There is a column, and what is the length of this column? 76 centimeter. 76 centimeter, and here the atmospheric pressure acting downward on the container container of the mercury. It is a balanced by the weight of the mercury column in the test tube, and the 1 atmosphere is equal to the 76 centimeter of the mercury. Okay, so this column you can say that is a vacuum, and the height of this vacuum is 76 centimeter and is equal to the 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere is equal to the 76 centimeter of the mercury, and the modern day barometer is much smaller than the mercury barometer. Okay, so what is the use of this barometer? It is used in the weather forecasting. It is used in the weather forecasting also, and they measure atmospheric pressure to determine if it is likely to rain or if there is any storm coming. So this is a very useful. And the cyclone are caused by the massive low atmospheric pressure created over the sea. So now there is a, you can see there is a picture and container filled with the water, and answer the following question. Okay, now compare the pressure at point A and B. Compare the pressure. Here this A, B, C, D. Now you compare the pressure at point A, B. Which one is greater? Atmospheric pressure. Which one is greater? B. Understand what I am saying? We have discussed in last lecture. Greater the depth, deep the depth, greater the pressure. And when you go to the hill station, what will happen? The atmospheric pressure will be decrease. But here the question, compare the pressure at point A and B, and which one is greater? Point B. Now compare the pressure at point B and C. You can see B and C. Which one is greater? Both are same. You can see the level of the B and C same. So which one is greater? No, both are same. Now compare the pressure at point C and D. You can see there is a point C and D. So which one is the greater? C and D. Greater the depth, greater the pressure. So D is have the D is the greater than the C. So I hope you understand this. Now student, we will discuss the application of the pressure in daily life. So you can see there is a picture. it is a sharp X, you can see. And we have discussed the application is uses of the pressure, and we have discussed in last lecture also, if you cut the vegetable with blunt knife, what will happen? It cut easily? No. If you use the sharp knife, what will happen? This sharp knife cut the vegetable easily. So in this way, when you use a blunt axe, so it is difficult to cut the wood. When you take the sharp axe, what will happen? It cut the wood easily. So understand what I am saying? Yes, less the area, greater the pressure. If area is less, so pressure will be high. If because there is a blunt axe, so there is a large area. When you take the sharp axe, so what will happen? There is a less area, so you can apply the more pressure, so you can cut the easily wood. Understand? Now you can see there is a girl. Atmospheric pressure helps to drink a liquid with a straw. You can see. So when you drink something using a straw, what will happen? You suck the air out of the straw. So this reduced air inside the straw create a low pressure. When you suck the air, what will happen? This reduce the air. जब आप suck करोगे तो क्या होगा? Air inside is reduced, create a low pressure, and there is a difference between the air inside the straw, low pressure, and the air exposed to drink in the glass, high pressure. What will happen? The air inside the straw, it is a low pressure, and outside the where the glass drink, there is a high pressure. So this atmospheric pressure push the drink in the glass rise of the through the straw. High pressure push the drink through the straw. Okay, so then you suck this, you can drink easily. Okay, now you can see there is a dam also. You can see there is a dam, and the base of the dam is made thicker to withstand the high pressure of the water. Why? Because they increase the surface area, so pressure will be decrease. If they made the base of the dam weak or thin, what will happen? The surface area will be less, so pressure will be high. Because there is a high pressure of the water, so what will happen? It can break the dam. So that's why dams are built. The base is made with the thicker, and this thickness gradually decrease to the top of the dam, and the thick base of the dam to withstand the high pressure of the water released from the reservoirs. Okay, now you can see there is a syringe also. When the inject vaccine, you can see there is a small surface area, sharp needle. Okay, so in this situation also, if the surface area is small, what will happen? The pressure will be increased, and the doctor inject the medicine into your body easily. So syringe used to inject vaccine and medicine directly into the blood have very sharp needles, and the sharp needles require the less force to applied by the doctor, as the surface area of the tip of the needle is very small, and even a small force leads to the large pressure. Area is less, so pressure will be large, and the needle easily prick to the skin. Prick the skin. Now you can see there is a camel have the broad feet, so they can easily walk on the sand, and the large feet apply the less pressure, and therefore their legs do not sink into the sand. You can see that there is a large broad feet, and you can see there is a skies have a large surface area. What will happen if there is large surface area? So pressure will be decreased. That's why this prevent the skies from the sinking into the sea. So we have discussed in this chapter many example. These are the application of the pressure. So I hope you understand, and these are the very important points, and these are very helpful for the ninth class also. Okay students, so you read this chapter very carefully. Okay, now students, bye.